Have you ever taken a photo and it came out just a little blurry, but you kind of loved it? You didn't capture the perfect, sharp details. You captured something better, a feeling, a vibe, the bright spots of sunlight, the mood of the moment. If you understand why that blurry photo feels so good, you already understand the main idea behind one of the most popular art movements of all time, Impressionism. To get Impressionism, you need to know what art was like before. For centuries, the goal was perfection. Artists would spend months in a studio trying to create smooth, polished, photorealistic paintings. Every detail had to be perfect. Then in the 1870s, a group of rebel artists in Paris said that is not how we really see the world. When you glance at a sunny field or a busy cafe, you don't see every single blade of grass or every button on someone's coat. You get an impression of light and movement. So they made a radical choice. They decided to paint that first glance, that blurry, light-filled vibe, instead of the perfect details. The leader of the pack was Claude Monet. In fact, this painting is how the movement got its name. He wasn't trying to paint a perfect book. He was trying to paint the feeling of the sun's light hitting the foggy water at dawn. If you look closely, you can actually see his quick, short brushstrokes. Then you have Edgar Degas, who was obsessed with capturing movement. He painted ballerinas constantly, but his paintings don't feel like frozen photos. They feel like a snapshot of a moment in time. The blur of a skirt, the candid posture. It's like a quick, real-life glimpse backstage. And Pierre-Auguste Renoir loved painting people, but he wasn't interested in stuffy portraits. He wanted to capture the feeling of a lively party. Look at how he paints the sunlight dappling through the trees. It is not about who these people are. It's about the happy, bright, fleeting moment they are all sharing. This was a huge deal. It broke the old rules and taught us that art could be about personal feelings and fleeting moments. So the next time you put a filter on a photo to make it look warmer, or take a portrait with blurry background, remember you are using ideas the Impressionists pioneered over 150 years ago. Impressionism is art that is less about painting perfect details and more about capturing the blurry, light-filled vibe of a single moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If your brain feels even slightly upgraded, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now it's your turn to go confuse someone with what you just learned. Thanks for watching.